This is going to be a quick one. Hope everyone's having a good day. Got a pizza to pick up. We have a large and cozy. Let's see if we can get in this thing. There's some tape. Paper. Another Reeve knife. Got all this pamphlet stuff. Tools, lube, and this is what we want to get into. Yeah. This is a Umnumzaan Tanto. Woo. Yeah. Very cool. Finally got to get in on a drop before all the scalpers scooped them up and put them on eBay. Yeah, this just flings right open. Nice action. All this stuff. Yeah, these are cool. Kind of wanted the Tanto version, so the drop point and cozy. Let's see. Similar size. Very cool. I like that Tanto. It's neat. Nice point. Very cool grinds. Hollow ground magna cut into a Tanto tip. A little comparison. Tiny bit more blade length on the Umnumzaan. The Zan. Very cool to finally be able to grab one of these. Speaking of grab, we gotta go grab our pizza. Definitely do another video on this. Oh yeah. The Zan. Feels good. Nice full-size knife. Cozy. Nice full-size knife. These feel awesome. There it is. Thanks for watching.